Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Saturday and we have a 2-layer cake. We have routines and we have family fun day. There is no zone today unless you have chosen that as a consequence of not doing it during the week. And if that is the case, we are in zone 2, the kitchen. Okay, so you're going to get up this morning and do your morning routines before the children, although it may be a little later because the children may be sleeping in. If your children are constant early risers, then you're going to need to get up before them to do your morning routine so you don't lose your day, okay? Or make them stay in bed. Your call, CEO. All right, so after you've done your morning routine, the children will do their morning routines. And after that, we're going to have our family fun day. So I want you to enjoy that a lot. Now, if you're working and this is something you have chosen not to do during the week, you're going to be doing either your zone 2, the kitchen, 4 items, deep clean 4 items in there, or 4 15-minute segments of decluttering for 15 minutes and ending with put away, throw away, give away. That's very important. So that's going to be a big commitment because decluttering for a whole hour is tough, but you can do it. Once you get that kitchen decluttered, as long as you're doing a clutter check 3 times a day in your whole house, you won't have that ever again. And that is the hardest part. I encourage you to do this after work and not do it on Saturday in a big lump because it's harder. But you can do whatever you choose. Okay, the second thing is the zone. If you don't have to declutter or do the zone, then that's it. You're done. You don't have to do that. Now, if you delegated to older children who are able to stay home by themselves, the weekly home blessing hour, the only thing you're going to have to do today is strip your bed. The kids are going to strip their bed and you're going to wash sheets. Okay, so you will be doing that. And everybody will be going through their paper because as long as the mail runs, we need to go through paper today. Okay. And then if you don't have anyone to delegate to and you as well opted not to do that during the week, then you will be doing a weekly home blessing hour today. And the final thing that you might be doing today is errands. If you weren't able to do those during the week, then that has to happen today, including your groceries. If you did not pay your bills on your lunch hour or after work, if you couldn't do them on your lunch hour, it's imperative that you pay your bills. Look at your account, balance your checking account every week. So that'll also be something you'll need to do today. I hope and pray that you opt to do these things during the week. It'll make it so much easier. All right, after that, enjoy your family. It is a wonderful weekend. Let's enjoy it. Let's have some cooperation and some delegation of duties and some sharing responsibilities this weekend if you are having to do some of those things. Because everyone lives here, not just you. You're just the CEO who coordinates everything. So you coordinate it and get them to buy in. And that's it. Next thing we're going to do is work on those evening routines. So we've got our after dinner routine, which is a family affair. And then after that, our before bed routine. And here we go with details. Kids, okay, number 1, there are 3 clutter checks during every day, morning, afternoon, and evening. So you're in charge of a clutter check and then instructing your children to get their evening routine done, which includes picking up their stuff, putting their dishes in the dishwasher if they have some new ones, or hand washing them themselves if they're old enough. If they're babies, you can wash them for them. And then getting their pajamas, putting all their stuff away. I think I said that already. Going into the bathroom and brushing their teeth, wiping out the sink, hanging up their hand towel, taking their dirty clothes off, putting them right in the laundry basket or a hamper before their bath, taking their bath, washing their hair if they need to, putting on their pajamas, hanging their towel up, putting their toys away out of the tub with your help if they're little, but somewhere where they can drain and they don't sit in the tub and cause havoc for the next person in there, or at the least having that water sitting in there for 24 hours, which is yucky. And then leaving the bathroom in the shape they found it in, taking their book, going to bed, reading a chapter or chapters, or a book or books, either you or them. And then when that's over, that's it for them. They're going to sleep. Now it's time for you. You're going to check your planner, which I insist that you do every night at least. My idea is that you do it in the morning as well, just to remind yourself what you looked at the night before. All right, so check your planner or calendar if you don't have a planner. Lay out your clothes according to your day. Maybe you need to adjust your plan for your day a little bit based on what you've got on your plan. Tomorrow is Renew Your Spirit Day, so if you're going to a church service of some sort, make sure you let the children know so that they're prepared mentally for that, and you are too. And then go and take your bath, put on your pajamas, put your clothes in the dirty clothes if they're dirty. If they're clean, hang them up. If they're dirty and they have a spot on them, spot it. Don't let it sit in there. Spot it and then put it in the dirty clothes. Or spot it if it's still clean and just has a little spot and let it hang up. Okay, let's see. Did we cover everything? You took your bath, you brushed your teeth, you washed your face, you put on moisturizer, and now you've cleaned the kitchen. It's all clean. The dishwasher's running. You've got a new clean towel in there. Did you turn off the lights and close the blinds and take care of the pets and all those things? Good. Go climb in bed, relax, go to sleep at the designated hour, and get up refreshed tomorrow, ready to go. Have a wonderful Renew Your Spirit Day. So that's it for Saturday. I hope it was a great family fun day, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Oh, and never forget that you are beautiful.